Just by doing simple Google searches in your spare time, you could be making $7,000 a month in passive income. All you have to do is answer some simple questions on this website, and you get to work anywhere, anytime, online, work as much as you want, and make free passive income directly into your PayPal account. It's as easy as that. Just find any question you want to answer on that website, type it into Google, press return, find the answer you're looking for, copy it, paste it back in this website, and make anywhere from $2,000 to $7,000 every single month. But you need to pay close attention to this video, because it's possible that if you were just to steal stuff from Google and plug it into that website, your answer could get either rejected or you could get a plagiarism strike. But I do have another website that you can copy this information, take it to this other website, paste it there, push one button, and it will rearrange the words for you so they become your own and you can use them anywhere. I'm also going to give you 2 other websites that you can use to find all the answers you are looking for, which is going to make making all this money that much easier. But first, I need you to subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now. Love me long time, because I be coming with the value. This is for you people, you know, this is Online Moneymaker. See, you're gonna earn money when you answer questions in your field of expertise online. So you don't gotta be an expert in any of this stuff, because we're just searching it out on the internet anyway. So some of the topics include appliance and home improvement, appraisals, boat, cars, computer, consumer electronics, engineering, finance, heavy equipment, homework, law, medical, pet, veterinary, and wellness. All stuff we can find on the World Wide Web. And you only answer the questions that you choose to answer, and you can get paid either through PayPal, Venmo, or if you're outside the United States, Hyperwallet. An example of a question you might get asked is, what are some natural remedies to get rid of fleas on dogs? And if you plug that into Google, you can see that there is a plethora of different articles that you can click on and get the answers you're looking for. And all you need to do is find the best info here, copy it, and then you're going to want to bring it over to this website right here, QuillBot.com. This is going to paraphrase that answer for you, so it's not plagiarism. It's going to make it your own. It's going to reword it a little bit. So this is free, but if you can get a subscription to this, a paid subscription, which gives you a few more options, like formal, whatever. But for free, we can just do a standard rewrite here. So just paste your answer there, and that's going to be a few too many words. So if you get a paid subscription to this, you can put as many words in there as you want. So this is going to let us do 400 words. So paste it there, paraphrase, and it's going to spit it out right over here. Here we go. So it took the answer we found and reworded it a little bit, and it's all good to go. We can copy that, paste it, and get paid. Another great place to find the answers you're looking for is Quora.com. So if you can see here, if I type in how do I get rid of fleas on dogs naturally, we can see that right here, best way to get rid of fleas on dogs, there's already 211 answers. So we should find plenty of information there if you are not finding what you're looking for on Google. And right away, I see a great answer here on a natural remedy to get rid of fleas on dogs. This would be a perfect answer. So we'd copy that, take it over to QuillBot.com, run it through the summarizer, and then it becomes an answer that's unique to us. And we're not going to get nailed for plagiarism. We're not going to get rejected. We're just going to collect the money, baby. The next site that's going to be very useful to you is called Answers.com. It's basically the same as Quora, but you might get some different results. So if I type in how do I get rid of fleas on dogs, I should get a whole bunch of different answers, and you can apply these. You can explore this site, and right here I see a good one right here, and I would copy that, paste it into QuillBot.com, submit the answer, get paid. So I will walk you through the entire application process to get started on this site, but first there's something you should know. Once you fill out the application, in order to get approved, if you're living in the United States or Canada, it's going to take less than 2 weeks. They say less than 2 weeks, but it's going to take about a week. And if you live anywhere else in the world, it's going to take less than 3 weeks. So just know that you're probably not going to get approved on the same day. So that being said, I've got a bonus site that you can get paid to search the web in the meantime while you're waiting for this approval to come through. Come to this site here. It's called TimeBucks. It's at timebucks.com. You can sign up with either your Facebook account or just a simple email and password situation. Once inside, you'll be asked to fill in all this information, which you're going to want to do because more paid offers will be offered to you. You'll also get 10 cents right away just for filling all this out. And as you can see, this website is available across the globe, worldwide. We got Brazil here, we got, I don't even know what some of these countries are, but you get the point here. So the first thing you want to do is click on Earn, and then you'll see all these different tasks you can do to make money, and there's a lot of different ways you can make money on this particular app. I happen to click on Offer Walls here, and then you can just scroll down and you're gonna do some exploring on here, and you can get paid to search the internet, you can get paid to click on ads, you can get paid to download apps, you can get paid to watch videos, and they do pay. Some of this stuff pays really well, actually. So just explore for yourself. I don't want to go through all this right now because we need to get to the point of this video, the big time money-making website. And that website is called JustAnswer, justanswer.com. Earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 a month just by answering questions in specific fields of expertise. So you're gonna get started just by filling out your first name, last name, email. They do want your phone number. You can't lie about that because they're gonna ask you to verify it. Then you're going to pick a category that you think you would be good in. If you are not a expert on any of these, I would just go with pet right here because that's going to be the easiest. Either that or wellness. So in my case, I put pet, and then you'll be brought to this page here. You'll be asked to list a couple different subcategories. So I will go dog. A secondary subcategory for dog would be dog training. And then we've got all this going on here, and my your date of birth, your country, last 4 digits of your social security number if you're in the United States. If you're not in the United States, whatever applicable government number you have. How did you hear about us? Not important. Degree. You're going to enter bachelor's degree, okay? Bachelor's degree, even if you do not have one. Now, if you really do have a college degree, you can fill in the correct information here. If you do not have a college degree and you just kind of, fudged this, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna put in year you graduated, you're gonna put year 2000, okay? And then the college name is St. Catherine College. Why are we putting St. Catherine College? Because it closed, okay? They cannot check up on this. So St. Catherine College, which is in the state of Kentucky in the United States, okay? From there, work history. Here's what you're gonna do. If you do have a legitimate work history in whatever field of expertise you listed on the previous page, go ahead and enter that. If not, just make up a company name here, position title, you are the owner, okay? Fill in the dates, employer contact name, that's you, okay? That's you. You just own a business, you're the only one that works there, enter your real phone number. From there, if you do have a LinkedIn profile, you can put it in here. If not, don't worry about it because that is optional. Licenses and certifications. You don't have to worry about this, okay? Basically, you can just put in a driver's license here or whatever, name of issuing authority, whatever state, if you're in the United States, whatever country you're in, and their phone number. That would be like if you're in the United States, the DMV, okay? Then all you're gonna do from there is, if you want to, read this, but you just have to read it and sign it, agree and submit, and just wait. and all they're going to check up on is the degree part of it, okay? And like I said, if you should put you have a bachelor's degree, we're just going to put St. Catherine College out of the state of Kentucky, because that has closed and they cannot verify anybody that graduated from there. So if you're in the United States, this is going to take less than 2 weeks, probably about a week. If you're outside of the United States, it is going to take less than 3 weeks, they say, but I've heard it takes about a week no matter what. So go out and make $2,000 to $7,000 every single month. Like this video, subscribe to Online Moneymaker because you know you want to. Show me the love. Thank you for watching.